In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. Simply have to click on Start Lab and wait for the lab to get started over here. Now from here, just right click and open the link incognito window. Scroll down and click on I understand. Now from here, just come to the lab instruction. Come to task number 1. Right click, open incognito window. And one file will be downloaded to your local system. Just save it. Okay. Once downloaded, click on this file picker. Select upload option. You can just drag and drop or click on browse and just locate the file over here. Click on this. Got it. Let me just do one thing over here. So the first thing what we have to do, we have to go to the item section. Okay, but before that, click on file, make a copy and just make it like this. After that, click on the items option. From here, just click on view and then freeze one row. It is done over here. Now click on number of items, right click, sort A to Z. Okay, this is successfully done. Now from here, just click on this plus icon and here a new sheet is added. Come down to here. Okay, rename the sheet, paste it like this, copy this formula, paste on the A1 sheet, means A1 shell, and it is updated over here. Check the score for this particular task. Now we have to do task number 2. For that, come to the item sheet again, and here we have to create a filter. So just go to A, data, create a filter over here. From here, just click on filter by values. Okay, filter by values, and from here, just remove the cinnamon bun. This thing we have to remove. Let me just do one thing. Select filter by values, and cinnamon bun is already removed. Now after that, what we have to do, we have to just check the score for this task. We got the score. Now we have to create a filter view. Click on the A shell, then just do one thing, data, create a filter view, save view, save it. It is saved. Check the score for this task. Done. Now click on view and then view, and from here what we have to do, delete all, view, leave it. Okay, let's come to the next step directly. We have to just click on this truncated unit prices in A shell, paste it like this, and from here just copy this formula, paste it like this, and now we have to add a currency formula in D2 shell. So D2 shell, this one, paste it like this, it is added. Now we have to just do one thing, we have to just round it to. So for rounding it, just update the formula to this. Okay, from here to here, just drag it, add it. We have done the next step over here. Now in the B shell, you have to just use right, insert volume column to the left. Done. Formatted name, paste in B1, copy this formula, paste over here, and then just come down up to here, click on anywhere else, check the score for this task. Now we have to come to the customer sheet, that is this one. Go to the D2 section, this is D2. We have to just copy this formula. Okay, first of all, we have to click on D2. Okay, insert, wait a second, insert function, and here we have to insert the function that is info email. Okay, info email, here is email. Okay, for the value, what we need to do, you have to just click on, wait a second, I will suggest better come over here, copy from here, and just directly remove from here to here. From here to here, just come down, and it is done. Now we have to just validate the data. Okay, data validation is also required. So for data validation, we have to just select T2 to D100. Okay, let's go to data. Data validation is here. Add a rule, and from here, just select it like this. It is selected. Now what we have to do, wait a second, it will be customers only. Customers T2 to D100. Now like this we have to do, and here we have to change it to text contains and true. Text contains value will be true. True. Done. It is done. Now we have to just try to check the score for this task also. And here we got the score. Now we have to just clean the data. For cleaning the data, what we have to do, at the top of it, just go to format, conditional formatting. That is only they are asking. Yes, conditional formatting, data conditional formatting, where it is. Wait a second, format conditional formatting. Now from here we have to apply this range and just mention this formula. What we have to do, format rules for custom formula. Custom formula is this, value of this formula is this, and just paste it like this, change the color to red. Done. This is also done. Now we have to just create a new shell, personalize greeting in G1. In the same shell, yes, in the same shell, mention it, add a formula. It's done. From here to here, just do it like this. This is also done. Now we have to just select the C column, and here they are asking us to remove duplicates. Okay, data and data cleanup, remove duplicates, and here we have to just see A to D. Okay, remove duplicates, done. Over here, now again data cleanup, remove duplicates. Okay, done. Try to check the score. Okay, one thing is missing. From here just copy this, and in the G2 only update the formula to this. Okay, now again from here to here, just come down, updated, try to check the score. And this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.